Hello, and welcome back. Steel Pinnings here once again, and I wanted to get this in for Stock Lock Sunday. It's a whole new ball game for me, and I have played with this thing with all of the little bits and pieces that I got from Mr. Andy Mack. Some of the most awesome picks. And I don't even use these kind of picks, but just amazing toolmanship. Nonetheless, I have found that this one here fits in it. Got the neighbor. Anyway, this one fits in it, and this one fits in it, so that in there. Ta-da! Right, see how that works. I don't know how this is gonna work with me trying to pick it on camera. I have not picked this thing. I've played with it, but I have not gotten it. I guess which is good, bad, and ugly, right? Okay, I'll reach down below it, I guess. That's right over here. Reach down below it. Put some tension to it. And feel me some levers, right? Let's zoom in. Whoa, that's too much. There we go. No, it's still a bit too much. There we go. Well, I can feel stuff. Felt a little movement. Aha, I felt something else. Ah, got it! Yes! Look at there, look at there. I bet it's open. Yes! So, I was able to get it. This is the key for it. I guess it's a 4 lever, but some are high, some are low, I guess. I don't know. All in a row. This way, sorry. There we go. Locked it back up. That was awfully fast. So, let's see if I've just got a knack for it, or if I was just lucky. See, I can't even get this thing to go all the way around properly. Alright. Our background. And here we go again. Just feeling each one of the little levers. Trying to give me a little click. Pull that off and kind of try again. Got a little movement. There she blows. So, I kind of did figure it out, but that's just this lock, not a hard lock. It's not hard by any means. It's the beginner lock. I want to say thank you again to Andy Mack for making me these amazing lever picks. And I have the pick it closed one as well, but I haven't even tried to put the spindle on it or nothing. So, and I haven't worked with an overlifting or anything like that. So this was all I've got. But it sure was fun. And I think it's a great addition to Stock Lock Sunday. Do the hashtag, guys. Y'all please stay safe and always stay legit. If you like this video and like what I do here, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And as always, until we meet again, peace.